So friends, today this video is about a lamp which has two variants, a bulb type and LED type. The bulb type variant is AX716. This is available in two colors, grey and black. And the LED variant is LG015. It has strong plastic housing. This is 2 bolts and the distance between these 2 bolts is 80 mm. We have a bulb fitment here, and here we have 6 SMDs in the LED version. So this lamp is available in 12 volts and 24 volts, and you can use it in any type of vehicles, in trucks, tractors, trailers, cars, small carriers, anywhere. It has a flat base, it has a flange nut and these bolts. This is AX716 and LG015 from the house of Bajato.